Make this 3-ingredient massage oil at home. Do you have sore muscles from your New Year's resolution? Make this 3-ingredient massage oil in a jiffy. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. That's why with this month's themed body care box, we'll give you everything you need to make all the recipes in your box. First, you're gonna wanna grab your January box as well as your big bonus box. From the box, you're gonna need your Relief Blend as well as your Juniper Berry. You're also gonna need your body oil base, and from your big bonus box, your almond oil. From your home, or if you don't have one of these at home, you can get one on our Simply Earth website. You're gonna wanna grab a 2-ounce bottle. Let's get started. First, we're gonna use a half a tablespoon of our body oil base. Next, I'm gonna add 25 drops of Relief. And then we'll add 5 drops of our Juniper Berry. And last but not least, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our almond oil. There's some empty space in my bottle so that I can get this shaken up and it is ready to go. All right, to use this guy, apply to your areas that are causing concern, rub it in, and let the essential oils do their thing. You can make this Relief massage oil too. If you want to turn your all-natural ingredients into recipes just like this Relief massage oil, go get your Simply Earth recipe box today. Because this box actually teaches you how to unlock the natural power of natural ingredients. Go get yours today.